like every year we have a certain theme. This time we are trying to do something different. It could be like a Moroccan type of theme, but that will not let go of our culture, which is going to be more present over here, our traditions. That won't change. It's going to be more beautiful, more bigger, and as this is the new venue, we want the world to see us in a new place, in a new way. And I hope this year we shall go beyond everybody's expectations. So let's see.
Why not here to pass any comment?
Not on the theme, but one thing just to add to what Saurabh is saying, what we're doing differently this year is that
One minute.
so we are just stepping up the efforts on the the social media front. This our puja already is the world's most digitally watched puja. It's just that it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any any person who follows Durgama can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
शेरनी को बोलना है सीधा देखना कैमरे की तरफ।
The puja fever has already started.
मैम
with the construction.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी, आप बात करते हैं मेरे कैमरे की तरफ देखो प्लीज़। सॉरी। हाँ
So preparations have already started. The construction has started. The other puja preparations, where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways. And the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharua feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja.
Where we used to feed about 1,000 people, and one batch we can feed about 1,500. So that is a big thing. Each batch will get 50, about 4 batches. The thing gets fast, more fast.
Moving locations would be challenging also.
It's what I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. This is more central, and there was a little bit of limitation of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look. I think we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year. And we have something really special coming up this year for the show and for the cultural programs as well.
So talking about performances, I would like to ask, we have Milan Mendi and Peter performing. Every year it is a variety of
This year we have, you see, unfortunately this year there are only 3 days of entertainment. Naomi and Ashtami, Naomi and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. We got only 3 days for entertainment this time, and 2 days for home. Once Mark goes away, you can't have home. So we can't have home at that time on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So firstly we have got Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer in the Pawan Kumar. Second has got Milan Mendi, the average Kumar. And Pritam is, they are the 3 days we have.
John, it's a new venue. What would
Firstly, Devu Uncle Pranam. And secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SNDT, although we're going to miss the whole venue. But everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this, and I'm very excited about Durga Puja like every year. Put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one, but I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as every year.
be open for
Even
questions
better.
now? Yes,
The main thing is the change of venue because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Jar. I want those people to know through the press and through your media is what I want to say that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it's not there, it is competition. Which I request press of you, please hammer this point that the puja is there. Thank you.
And here's the bhog. If you ask, let's say, Nibutaka Shamranda, the first thing that we talk about is the bhog of our bhog. And the feedback over the years that so our bhog has grown bigger and bigger every year. And that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also, broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the Bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come.
So another thing I would like to point out is that the puja timings are very, very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who's interested in coming for the puja has to come up at 6:30 because that's when the puja will start and the timings are very limited. So it's like people who come for Shundi Pujo, that is in the morning, that starts from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time, it's all in the morning, early morning.
Well, change is always important. Change होना चाहिए लाइफ में, and change is something very new. और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही. वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, कुछ नया कुछ हो. So it's very important, and I think believe in that we all should believe in that. तो अच्छा ही होगा पूजा. सबका हार्ड वर्क है, सब मेंबर्स का हार्ड वर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे. सब लोग, यंगस्टर्स, the youth, everybody. So it's a team work together, and we try to do something different every year. तो इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा. सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, and it's a very historical पूजा. ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, I think we are the 4th or 5th generation. The Lahiris are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and Babu and Mama and my grandparents. Then my father Lahiri, and then Papa Lahiri and Begudi. So it's the 4th, 5th generation carrying on this legacy. So of course जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा. सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, और आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें और प्लीज कम टू द पूजा, एंजॉय द पूजा, बी विद अस. और अगर कुछ भूल चूक हो गया तो माफी चाहते हैं, पर इट्स अ न्यू थिंग.
माफ नहीं करेंगे.
तो
It's only going to be bigger and better. That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
At the age of 13, this man, this boy, contributed 1 lakh from his own income to the puja, to this puja.
this year also.
A 13-year-old boy contributing 1 lakh of rupees, and he does it very big thing.
Very big.
Very big. He deserves a big hand. Amazon.
Any message that you'd like to give out to this concluding?
Please come, SNDT is a new venue, please come. Mass.
মা আসছে, আপনারাও আসুন, আপনাদের জন্য ওয়েট করা হচ্ছে. So we are looking forward to seeing you. We, like we said, that we promise you we're giving you a better place, and also for parking there's some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, and if even better. So looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day less in this year,
Yes.
puja, so we have Bhog on 9 Nom also or no?
Only 2 days.
But don't worry, जितने लोग हम
हाँ,
कवर
मतलब
करते हैं हम
understand.
उसको कवर कर देंगे क्योंकि
See,
जगह ज़्यादा है.
when Ma is not there, you can't have a home.
Yeah.
So on the day she's here, you have home. When she's gone out, then no point having
So
home.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of Bhog.
2 days.
10th and
Ah,
11th.
so 2 days.
October.
10th October and 11th October.
10th
You
October.
can have home otherwise, but it has no meaning.
We'll have beautiful stalls also.
Yes, we have stalls. We have about 30 stalls over there.
Everything will be the same, only that the location is different.
Better,
That's
bigger.
it. Otherwise, everything is going to
You
be
can-
the
you
same.
can
In
see
fact,
the
much
layout.
better.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's
This-
massive.
Devi Pandal is that side. This is the thing, the stalls are there.
All the adjectives: bigger, better, glamorous, tasty, sab dal do. See you all.
Thank you.
In the center, in the center.
John,
I would like to say one of my grandfather's classics. So shall I begin? Jordan. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. जागो तुम्ही जागो जागो दुर्गा जागो दश प्रहरण ধারে অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো তুমি জাগো বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়
thank you.
बैठो जरा जो तुम इकरार करो मुझे प्यार करो दुर्गा पूजा प्यार
जय माता।
When I was in Durga Puja, the Durga Puja started from Srimandan Hall, a very small area. So with the 5-7 years of Durga Puja was there, Srimandan Hall transformed and became very big. And after that we went to Pudar School, which is also very small. It's missing the Ma Durga. Blessing the Ma Durga, Uttara school also flourished a lot. Then we went to Balkanji Badi. In Balkanji Badi, that also was very small and a small place. But with my blessing, even that big area also flourished and became very big. Then we thought Univstar, nothing is going to happen in Univstar because of the big area and a lot of irrigation and all. But with my blessing, again, that area also has flourished a lot. So we don't have a choice but to come facility for it now. But that is our new venue. This venue, compared to Univstar, is much bigger. Eva Pandal was there 100 feet. There is 150 feet. Rest is about 80 feet, we were about 200 feet. So then rest passing point, every point of view. Facility is differently more expensive. And more not expensive, better location. Expensive of course is there.
ले भाई,
ले भाई
सर सामने यो। क्या है ये? टेबल बीच में आ रहा है, टेबल बीच में आ रहा है।